cool. So I've got this sweater on. And head for the bamboo.
I was staying in Battambang, Cambodia. While I was there, I had to visit one of the area's most famous attractions, the bamboo train. The bamboo train gets its name from the bamboo deck or floorboard used that rests on top of the wheels that can transport anything from chickens and rice to people. In Khmer, it's called a lorry and has been used since the Khmer Rouge shut down of most regular train service in the country. The bamboo train station. Now, where is the first-class lounge? I could really use a Bloody Mary about right now. Waiter. Actually, the place is quite charming and surprisingly not touristy feeling at all, at least not at the starting point in O Dambang, about 4 kilometers from Battambang. The bamboo train solves the biggest problem of a single-track train line. What do you do when 2 trains meet from opposite directions? In the case of the bamboo train, simple, move one off the track. This experience alone makes this one of the world's all-time great train rides. Farewells from the departure crew, and we're off. The bamboo train was not the first flatbed-type service in Cambodia. During the Civil War of the 80s and 90s, flatbed trains were used as minesweepers ahead of the rest of the train. Service was free, risky, but very popular. And here we go, about 3 minutes into the ride, and our first stop. Wow, now that's taking service station to the next level. The first lorries or bamboo trains were actually hand-driven with a pole, kind of like an Italian gondola. Small motorcycle or tractor engines like this one were added later. The wheels? They're actually from abandoned tanks.
Oh, you want me out? Oh, okay.
Once again, we're rolling on the tracks. The ride lasts almost a half hour each way, starting in Odambang with a short stop in Osrala before returning. The tracks are not in the best of shape, with little or no maintenance for decades, making them warped and misaligned in some spots. Occasionally you'll get a strong bump from a really weak section, but hey, it's all part of the charm. It is just after 7 a.m., and I think this is the perfect time to come, with the sun just rising and cool, comfortable temperatures. The atmosphere is amazing. It feels like you've been dropped into an Indochina-themed adventure movie. Cambodia's first rail line was built by the French in the 1930s. By 1969, the rail system was still in good shape, but the Civil War of the 1970s soon saw some of the line actually destroyed. By 2008, passenger service was completely discontinued. Private interests currently hold the concession to the railway, with only freight operation running between Phnom Penh and the coastal town of Sunukville. We are slowing down because another train is coming our way. The rule is the car with fewer passengers gives way to the other car. So if you want priority service, bring a group or give some locals a free ride.
It's just a beautiful morning, lovely setting here, and we're just getting going again. We had to take the car off the tracks because somebody else was coming our way. But that's the beauty of the bamboo train. You can just pick it up and move it off the tracks. So here we go again.
Finally, after a ride with stops that last just under 30 minutes, we arrived at Osrala. Here's where it gets a little touristy, with the usual t-shirts, scarves, and kids selling bracelets. But that's okay, they're just trying to make a living, and the people are always friendly here, even if you don't buy. Like this man kindly showing me the way. 10 minutes later, we are back on the tracks and heading back to Odambang. Sometimes so-called tourist attractions are spoiled by being over-commercialized, eventually losing the charm that originally made them attractive. For me, the bamboo train is an absolutely original experience. Pieced together with leftover tank wheels, tractor motors, and eco-friendly bamboo, it's the ultimate transportation mutt, making it one of the world's most original travel experiences.